What's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And we're going to be taking a look at a couple things that I really like about this Samsung S9 Ultra. All right, so this is pretty much an extreme tablet situation here that I have in my hand. And what I mean by extreme tablet is the size, the power, and all the functionality and abilities that this kind of form factor brings to the table. There's things I don't like about this. That's going to be in another video. There's going to be a final review as well. But this video is going to be talking about a couple things that I am really enjoying about this tablet. Things that might sway you to buy this tablet if you're kind of in the fence, or on the fence, I should say, between this, another tablet, another form factor, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the first thing that we're looking at right here, and that's the screen, guys. This is a 14+ inch screen. I think it's 14.6 inches total. This is a big device, okay? But this AMOLED screen, this ability to go ahead and just consume media, consume information, consume whatever you put on it, to the best of its ability is a wow factor. And quite frankly, probably the top feature for me, or very close to it, okay? I have been able to watch my YouTube videos. This has been my go-to, just my go-to media consumption device for my YouTube videos since I've gotten this tablet. And that's beating out my Samsung TVs, my iPhone, obviously my laptop and things of that nature. And beating out the iPad Pro. This screen is crisp, it's vibrant, blacks are black, everything else punches and pops. The things you'd expect out of a normal AMOLED screen. And then having it at this size just allows you to consume that media that much more better and much more enjoyable. Now, with that screen comes 4 amazing sets of speakers. Now, the speakers on this tablet are going to be to the right and to the left. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on top. Okay. Now, they are loud. They are punchy. They are really good speakers. And I will say it's probably my favorite feature about this tablet. Every piece of content that I've watched, whether it's Netflix, whether it's YouTube, whether it's just watching anything or listening to anything, the quality of these speakers, the bass, the fullness, the thump that this actual tablet, the form factor, the thinness of this tablet provides is really amazing. It is a wow factor. And combined with the fact that this screen is that big and it's that crisp and is that nice, Samsung absolutely nails it out of the ballpark, providing you a tier 1 5-star experience, something that I haven't ever had in any of my iPad Pros in the past, or tablets, right? When you hand this over to someone in your household, if you guys are sharing devices, and they hold this in hand, they immediately go, wow. That's what happened in my household. Then they play something and they immediately stop and just kind of consume what they're listening to. I don't have to go more than 50% volume on this device for me to just get a full, rich experience. And let me go ahead and show you guys something real quick. So this is about 50%.
2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. Plug-in hybrid without launch control. Your head hit that headrest pretty hard there. Oh, dude.
I hope.
Control my neck.
So for one, if you guys like car reviews, check these guys out. They're really cool. But for two, I hope that the video does it justice. I know it's a little hard. I have to have it picked up in the mic. But 50% in the volume little bar here off to the right, and I'm getting full rich experience, and it's just popping. All right, it's an amazing experience there. So we talked about screen, AMOLED, large, bright, dark blacks. We've talked about speaker. Let's talk about battery life. Here at the top right hand corner, it says I have 11% battery life left. I got this device last Monday or Tuesday of last week, depending on when you're watching this video. And I've probably used it half an hour to an hour every day, sometimes more, sometimes less. And then it's been on standby, obviously when I'm not using it. And I'm at 11% battery life. It's amazing, right? 11% battery life left with a little bit to moderate usage every single day. And that moderate usage is literally watching YouTube videos. It is listening and watching other content, listening to music, making this my number one consumption device. So now it's at 10%. But guys, battery life is not a concern with this device, okay? Lastly for me, screen, battery life, speaker quality, sound. And then up top right-hand corner is a micro or a mini micro SD card tray. All right. So nobody else is doing that right now, to my knowledge. I know Apple never has, probably never will. But you have the ability here to buy the cheapest Ultra. Okay, if you want to go that route in terms of internal storage, this is the 512 gig, and then buy cheap alternative storage methods, cheaper SD cards, and just expand your storage. If you're traveling, if you're going somewhere else and you want to go ahead and actually download a bunch of videos, maybe some games and things like that, photos and things to your device, books, you can do that. I know that's something that's these days often forgotten in terms of the devices that we use with all the internal storage and less, if not completely no more external storage options, but you can do that with this device, all right? When you couple all of that in together into a form factor that's this thin, that comes with the cherry on top for me at the end of all of this, the S Pen out of the box, Apple's charging us for that. You're going to be able to really have a solid go-to product in a solid experience in a form factor that's extremely unique. Yes, it's large, but what you're getting here is something that's unrivaled elsewhere right now. And you're ready to go out the door. Yes, it's expensive, but you are getting what you pay for, in my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below what you all think of this device. If this is a device that you've been considering, if this is a device that you're looking to get, if this is a device that you are looking to have a different device be replaced by, let me know, right? Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. Every subscribe, every like means a lot to me in a channel as small as mine. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of this device. Obviously, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be talking about things that I don't like about this device. There are definitely things I don't like about it. We're going to be doing a final review as well about this device. And then we're going to be doing some accessory review because I definitely want to review its keyboard cover two-piece situation that Samsung kind of brought in for this device. Like always, it was Nando. Again, peace, salute, adios, stay geeky, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.